You ever lie in bed thinking about that one thing you didn't say in a conversation 6 hours ago? Or stare at a text for 20 minutes, then not send it at all? Yeah? Well, welcome to the hell of overthinking, where you close your eyes and try to sleep, but your mind is sprinting. Why did I say that? What will people say? What if I made the wrong choice 3 months ago, and now everything's ruined? You overanalyze every damn situation like it's a hostage negotiation, trying to mentally rehearse every possible outcome to avoid failure or embarrassment. And most of the time, it's over things that 99% of people never even notice. But that's how overthinking wins. Tiny moments, massive chaos. It's like looping, obsessing, mentally pacing in circles while your life moves on without you. And by the time you're done with all that noise, nothing changed, except your anxiety got louder. Imagine doing that every night and call it normal. Your problem isn't that you don't know what to do, it's that you keep thinking about it. You're living in your head more than your actual life, the most dangerous prison you'll ever be in, because it's built by your own thoughts, and the door doesn't even lock. You think you're being smart by replaying every scenario in your head, because overthinking feels safe. You tell yourself that you're being responsible, careful, or heck even strategic. You call it some sort of planning ahead. But it's fear and self-sabotage disguised as protection and self-awareness. It's your mind lying to you, an illusion that more thinking equals better results, all to avoid taking action. And as a result, you'll kill your own confidence. It'll ruin your relationships. You'll miss opportunities, and eventually, you'll be someone with 100 ideas and 0 action to show for it. Because if you chase it and fail, it hurts. But if you just think about it forever, you get to pretend. You get the illusion of progress without any real consequence. That illusion is your drug, and if you want to quit your addiction, you just need one rule, and a new relationship with fear. Let's start with the rule. It's called the 2-minute decision rule. Clarity comes from movement, not thought. So if it takes less than 2 minutes to act. You don't need to figure it out first. Send the text, speak your mind, make the call. No second guessing, no paralysis. That's for the rule. Simple and easy. Now, as I mentioned, you'll also need a new relationship with fear. Not one where fear gets a vote, but one where fear shuts up and watches you move anyway. Every time your brain starts spinning, ask this: what's the smallest next step I can take right now? And then take it, without waiting for permission, without Googling another opinion, without asking 5 friends for advice you won't follow. Overthinking thrives on delay. Combining your new rule and relationship makes you faster at decision making, therefore killing the delay. You kill the delay, boom, you kill the overthinking. There are also other methods to get rid of overthinking. You could write what's bothering you down. Overthinking lives in your head, so dragging it onto paper robs it of its power. You could also do the thing scared. You don't need confidence, you need courage. And courage means acting even while your heart's pounding. Once you try these methods and get rid of overthinking, you'll soon start to notice changes. You get more confident, and confidence makes your actions and decisions faster. Then you realize that the world doesn't end after your every tiny little mistake. Text sent? Cool. You sounded awkward? So what? Someone misunderstood you? Clarify and move on. Life's too short to keep living in your own mental courtroom. Remember, overthinking doesn't solve your problems. It creates them. Every second you waste in your head is stolen from your future. So stop trying to be perfect. Be in motion. Be uncomfortable. Be relentless. Stop reliving your fears over and over in your head, because they will become your reality. The world doesn't need another overthinker. It needs you. Decisive, flawed, and finally doing something about it. Stop trying to think your way into the perfect life. Start acting your way out of the mental cage. You're either building your future or building excuses in your head. Now make a move before you overthink this too. Or in other words, decide before your thoughts decide for you.